Hello dear friend, once again you are welcome to Resolve for You. This is Rakesh here. In today's tutorial we will learn about Snipping Tool. Snipping Tool is the default features of Windows 10 and 11. It's actually hidden in every computer in Windows 10 and 11. So it's used for taking screen shot and annotate your screens and take record your screen. Actually whatever the activities happening on your screen, any activity, it will record easily. It's a very handy, very useful and totally free software. Most of people don't know about this Snipping Tool. I have divided this class into two parts. First part is about how to take a screenshot and annotate that and save and send to your friend. In the second part we will learn about how to record our screen, and we can use our recorders, and we can make settings. After setting we can record, and then we can edit freely in the Windows 10 and 11. We will learn how to edit. The class will be very interesting, dear friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Without wasting time, let's jump into the tutorial of Resolve for You. Hello dear friend, you are once again welcome in the second part of tutorial about window snipping tool. You know, window snipping tool is a default hidden in a window. It's good for screen recording and taking a screenshot and annotation on the screenshot. For opening this unique software, you come here, just type in the, if you have seen my last class about how to take a screenshot, you can understand through snipping tool. Now today we will learn how to take actually video record or to screen record, and whatever you will happening in your screen, actually you can record totally all everything. Means if you have connected here your web camera to, it will record everything from here. And for this we will come here first. You see, this is our interface. It's a very simple interface and a very good and easy software. Actually set your grandmother can actually can record, and once she listens to my this tutorials, very easy. You see three dot here, 3 point, just click here. You can actually from here you can setting, you can come here setting. This is our setting for snipping tool. Here automatically copy, change, automatically save screenshot, ask to save, edit screenshot. This is actually, you know, it's not difficult. Actually recording, our automatically save screen recording here. It's automatically save here in our C drive. It saves actually in recording section. Include microphone, okay, I will include, and I will default include system audio by default when a screen recorder starts. Okay, I have done. Okay, I use the print screen key to open snipping tool. You can see here they are setting from here. Here from here, sticky filter, toggle key from here, all setting on a screen, keyboard setting, everything. See, you can from here you can see actually it's not very tough. Actually now we come here, you can appearance, you can add light, dark, you can do dark, you can then light. Use system, I use system settings. Okay, and you can read about here for about this app, this snipping tool apps of Microsoft. You can write feedback here. Okay, once we come here, once we understood the setting, we come back here. Now I want to take a screen record, so I want to take a desired part of a screen record. I want from here to here take a screen record. How I will take? I will just click new, control plus N is a shortcut. You just take, you see, no it's okay, no it's showing me toggle. In this way you can take here from here, you see. Actually once you selected with your left mouse of your button, button, you can actually in this way you can see I can actually adjust. Actually in this way I want to adjust more from here. Now it's adjusted actually. And now we can start recording. Before starting recording, I show you can mute if you don't want this speaker, so you can mute here. I unmute here. Here you have to check this mic, which system mic. I use a blue mic. It's selected here. You see point black dot here, it means it's a selected. Once it is selected, sorry, it's just once it is selected here, you just start here. You see a start. Once a start, it will be, as you see, no start recording. You see here point here. You see here timer says on. It's a red. You see here red point here. In red points, it is actually showing here. You see. Now it's a recording. Some Samsung Magician, Audacity, PDF reader, you see, recycle bin, GeForce experience. I'm taking actually showing you for demo this. If you want to take a rest during recording, you can actually pause recording here. You see, I have no paused. I am taking rest here. Once you have taken rest, you want to again start. You want to speak here like me. You can resume here recording. It's now it's resuming. You saw Audacity here, our IV cam here, Share X is here, Revo uninstaller is here. You see, I'm in this way. I'm showing on the screen. Once it is recorded, you will just click here. You see, red, stop recording. Now it's a recording is stop. You see, now we have a recorded. I want to show you the quality. You can judge how is the quality. Here timer says on. It's a red. You see here red point here. In red points, it will actually showing here. You see. Now it's a recording. Some Samsung Magician, Audacity, PDF reader, you see, recycle bin, GeForce experience. I'm taking actually showing you for demo. If you want to take a rest during the recording, you can actually pause it. It's a now it's a visual video. So Audacity here, our IV cam here, share X is here, Revo uninstaller is here. You see, I'm in this way, I'm showing my screen. Once it is recorded, you will just click here. You see, stop. You see, now we have recorded here actually in this way, and you can start from here. No new recording if you want, and this recording you can edit. No, I will edit in window default window editor. It's totally free. You can edit and very easy editor. We will have soon tutorial about this clip champ, dear friend. So you can join that class. Subscribe the channel for our tutorial, and dear friend, it will be very save. You if you want to save from here, you can save this actually screen recording. You can copy here, paste anywhere, and here you can setting. You can share from here. Open screen recording folder if you have. You can actually open the folder if you want to save as. You see, I want to save as here. For example, I want to save anywhere for any folder, any selected folder. I have this folder here. I can select here. You see, MP4. You can save this in MP4. Actually, only one format is available in MP4. Now this is actually save in our window here. If once click here, I just unclick from here, and I come here. You see in Prism start recording. Here our recording is saved here. Once again, I play with VLC media player. Now. Timer says on. It's a red. You see quality here now. In red points, it will actually showing here. You see, now it's a recording. Some Samsung Magician, Audacity, PDF reader. You see, recycle bin, GeForce experience. I'm taking actually showing you for them. See how the quality is actually decent. It's not bad. Actually, we can use this for our work. Why we have to buy very costly software? Already we have like OBS Studio, like Windows, the default recorder. It's actually unique. Now I want to show you a tutorial. Nowadays I have tutorial on DaVinci Resolve here. You see, if you want to join my class about DaVinci Resolve, it's one of the best professional video editor. You can edit video here. If you want to be a professional editor, dear friend, just join our class. I will drop all the playlist, the whole playlist in our description box here. Just after listening this class, you can join here and you can listen. You can, if you want to be a professional video editor, or just you want to work as a hobby, it's your hobby to edit, or for your personal, if you want to edit video, you can join our class. Actually, now we come here. I want to record this all our tutorial about DaVinci Resolve. We come here and we have to type here. You see, Snipping Tool is here. I will just click here. See, now our Snipping Tool is here. I want to record our whole screen from here. Actually there you can use its keyboard shortcut for using. I have shown you from here. You can assign, and I want to take whole screen. I want to record here. I will take new. You see, and you see it's now I can take all. You see, whole. I will take all this. No, it's selected. Actually, I'm starting recording. You see the quality here. Now I will show you. You see, now I am teaching you. You see, this is DaVinci Resolve here, and this tutorial I am recording through the Windows Snipping Tool. This Snipping Tool is actually the default and hidden in our Windows 10 and 11. It's a totally free. We don't need to buy very costly software. Why? We have already such type of unique software. And now I am recording. I can annotate here on the screen. Actually, you see, now I want to annotate. For example, please subscribe. You see, please subscribe channel. You see, please subscribe channels. Snipping Tool tutorial. I want to write here Snipping Tool tutorial. Snipping Tool tutorial. Snipping Tool. You can actually in this way you can record for any purpose. You can record. People don't know actually about don't know how to use. You can if you want to take rest here, you can come here. You want to take rest here, you have to just pause. No, I pause the video. I want to again play here after taking rest here. Just no, you see, no, again I am recording here. You see, no, again I am recording. No, once it is recorded, it's we just stop our recording. No, you see, this is the Snipping Tool. It's open actually. You see, now I am teaching you. You see, this is DaVinci Resolve here, and this tutorial I am recording through the Windows Snipping Tool. This Snipping Tool is actually the default and hidden in our Windows 10 and 11. It's a totally free. We don't need to buy very costly software. Why? We have already such type of unique software. Now I am recording. I can annotate here on the screen actually. You see, now I want to annotate. For example, please subscribe. You see, please subscribe channel. You see, please subscribe. You see, actually, it's a very easy tool, dear friends. Now I've returned to here to window this snipping tool here. We have already recorded. We have seen this is the quality is also decent. We can use. You see, the quality of sound is also good. We can use it actually for tutorial to class here. And now we have come here and we can edit in the window Clipchamp. You know, Clipchamp is the window video editing software. It's for beginners. If you are beginner, if you don't know how to edit, you can actually edit. I will just click here. In this tutorial class, we can edit in our, you see, it is signing up now in the Microsoft Clipchamp. Now it's opening, you see. Now our actually we have open in this is the interface of Clipchamp Microsoft window. From here you can actually export video up to 1080p. For 4K you have to pay money. We don't need to pay money because there are several free software, open source software. 1080p is okay for YouTube, for any class tutorial. You can, it's not decent. There are several, you see, text template here. You can add text from here, transition. There are lots of transition. Actually it's a decent video editing software, so we can use, actually we can record. You see, now I play in the video here. You see, now I am teaching you. You see, this is the DaVinci Resolve here, and this tutorial I am recording through the Windows Snipping Tool. This snipping tool is actually the default and hidden in our Windows 10 and 11. It's a totally free. We don't need to buy very costly. So the dear friends, see, now I can actually here we can record here, and after recording we can just in the window we can actually edit our tutorial class or any class, and it's totally free. You don't need to pay. Dear friend, if you want to join our class DaVinci Resolve, please join and share and subscribe the channel for other various type of software update. I have regularly I share tutorial on YouTube. You see, in every week I have 3-4 video I share. So dear friends, don't forget to subscribe, write, comment here. Now once it is recorded, you can save, you can save anywhere, you can share. Hello dear friend, we have just finished the class, and the first class and the second class. Actually in the description box you can search our second class. If you have followed our first class, and if you have followed in second class, you can search in our channels in the description box. I will put the playlist, whole playlist I will drop, and if you want to learn the DaVinci Resolve tutorial, that playlist will be also added in the description box, dear friends. So please follow these two class about these tutorials, and then you will use a snipping tool very freely. It's a totally free software. So dear friend, why we don't use? Take care, bye, we meet in the next class.